Lactantius, Epitome, Episode 15. Sic, in hoc mundi republica, nisi unus fuisset moderator, quiet conditor, aut soluta fuisset omnis haec moles, aut nec condi quidem omnino potuisset. So then, he says, in hoc mundi republica, in this entire republic of the world, hoc and republica, feminine singular and ablativus localis, within, in this republic of the world, and recall that now he is comparing the state with his prior examples of a commander and a soldier. He's comparing it to the world as a whole. In this entire republic of the world, nisi unus, unless there had been nisi unus fuisset, and there had been moderator, that is, the ruler and governor, who was also the creator, conditor. What we have here then is a contrary to fact past conditional, a praeteritum irreale, contrary to fact past conditional, with fuisset in the protasis, and with fuisset and potuisset in the apodosis. So the protasis then has a pluperfect subjunctive, and the apodosis likewise has a pluperfect subjunctive, or in this instance it has two pluperfect subjunctives. So we might say, unless the same person had been both the ruler and also the creator, then out, one of these two things would have happened. Either omnis haec moles, this entire contraption, the entire world, all of reality, and this is feminine, singular, and nominative as the subject, all of reality that we know, omnis haec moles, would have been destroyed. It would have fallen apart, fuisset soluta. Soluta is the participial form of the third conjugation verb salvo, salvare. It would have fallen apart altogether. Or, and here's the second part of the apodosis, the first one is out fuisset, the second one is out potuisset, or it would have been able, potuisset, not even, nec quidem, not even to be created at all, omnino. Omnino is an adverb built on the adjective omnis, obviously. Potuisset, I've already parsed that like fuisset, and condi is the present passive infinitive from third conjugation condere.